Say hi, people. Niambia niache kupiga kelele. Yeah, so anyway guys, finally the time is here for me to share my pregnancy journey from when I found out I was pregnant till najua where we are right now, after I just revealed my pregnancy a few days ago, and oh my gosh, time imeenda, I can't even believe it. Baba, so just give me a second, I talk to my people. Pause the cartoon kidogo. Thank you, honey. Yeah, so guys, today I actually start my akibaba kidogo tu. So guys, today I start my first episode of showing you the very first day I tested for pregnancy. Of course, after many times of feeling some type of way. It was so unexpected, and it caught me by surprise, honestly. Okay, so head over to my YouTube channel right about now, because it's about to premiere in a few minutes. And then of course later this week I am going to also be showing you how I actually unveiled, or rather how I broke the news to my family and all that.